Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about someone super famous online. Someone everyone knows, Cristiano Ronaldo. Why do 99% of Instagram users know who Ronaldo is? Because he's about to be the first person ever to hit 1 billion followers across all his social media platforms. That's insane, right? On Instagram, Ronaldo currently has 638 million followers, 170 million on Facebook, and his YouTube channel, Cristiano, just hit 60 million subscribers in record time. On the evening of September 11th, Hanoi time, Ronaldo's Cristiano YouTube channel hosted its first live stream, but CR7 didn't appear. The live stream was a countdown to reaching 1 billion followers across all social media platforms. By the morning of September 12th, the number on the screen showed 999.1 million followers, and Ronaldo was only about 900,000 away from the milestone. The six platforms CR7 and his team are counting are Instagram, Facebook, X, YouTube, Kuaishou and Weibo. YouTube, the newest platform, was created less than a month ago and already has 60 million subscribers. Instagram is Cristiano Ronaldo's most popular social media platform, with 638 million followers, followed by Facebook with 170 million. These are also the two platforms where the Portuguese superstar reigns supreme in popularity. No one on Instagram or Facebook has more fans than him. On X, Ronaldo has nearly 113 million fans. This puts him in the top 3 biggest accounts, behind Elon Musk and former US President Barack Obama. Two domestic Chinese social media platforms, Kuaishou and Weibo, also contribute 9 million and 7 million followers to CR7, respectively. Ronaldo's 1 billion follower countdown broadcast also attracted a large audience. More than 33,000 people watched, commented, and donated cash to the channel. Engagement on the channel was also exceptionally high, with over 100,000 likes from the viewers. On August 21st, the soccer superstar made his YouTube debut with a series of well-produced videos. After a week, he was breaking subscriber records on the platform. Most recently, the Cristiano channel reached 60 million subscribers, faster than any channel in history. His existing fame, combined with his massive following across social media platforms, helps Ronaldo secure valuable advertising contracts even when he's no longer playing soccer. According to Hopper HQ's 2024 Instagram Rich List, Cristiano Ronaldo tops the list of the most famous and highest-earning people on Instagram. The Portuguese soccer superstar, who has over 630 million followers, can earn a whopping $3.432 million per post on the platform. But it's not just about the numbers. Ronaldo's social media dominance translates into huge profits. Each of his Instagram posts is worth millions of dollars. And his YouTube channel, it's a goldmine of exclusive content, attracting fans from all over the world. Ronaldo's journey to 1 billion followers is a testament to his global appeal and his incredibly savvy use of social media. At 39, Ronaldo is not only breaking records on the field, but also extending his powerful influence off of it. So when Ronaldo hits that magical 1 billion, we won't just be witnessing a memorable milestone, but the coronation of the king of social media. With 1 billion followers across all platforms, Ronaldo is also far ahead of his rivals on the social media celebrity list. The person right behind him, singer Selena Gomez, currently has over 680 million fans. Let's wait and see, because when Ronaldo hits that number, who knows, the internet might just explode.